Oh, kukuha ka na.
Meron yan?
So, good afternoon everyone. So, yung topic ko po is measurement. Ano ba naman kasi yan?
O bakit?
Film yung
Lagyan mo kasi dito sa may upuan.
Nag-shooting sila.
Montage yan tawag yan.
Oo, muntan. O, nilin muntan.
Gumagalaw-galaw.
So, yung topic ko po is measurement of variability. The measures of variability will consider are the range, the variance, and the standard deviation. So, yung measures of variability natin is consider siya as the range, the variance, and the standard deviation. Range. The range is the distance between the lowest data point and the highest data point. Deviation scores are the distances between each data point and the mean. So, yung range is distance between the lowest data point and the highest data point. The range of a set of data. The range of a set of data is the difference between the highest and lowest values in the set. To find the range, first order the data from least to greatest. Then subtract the smallest value from the largest value in the set. So, para mahanap yung range,
Ano tayo ng ano niya?
una, i-order muna natin siya sa pinakamaliit hanggang sa pinakamalaki. Then, subtract natin yung smallest value from the largest value in the set.
That's it.
So, example. Then, Eric took 7 math tests in 1 marking period. What is the range of his test? So, paano?
Pencil pa niyan, ha?
Di ba sinabi ko kanina paano makukuha yung range? Paano ulit makukuha yung range?
First is to arrange the data from the least to greatest. Then, you subtract the greatest and the least.
So, when ordering the test score from least to greatest, you get, so yan yung makukuha natin pag natin natin siya sa pinakamaliit. May minus pala.
Subtract.
So, yung pinaka-lowest natin is 73. Lowest natin is 73, then yung highest natin is 94. So, highest minus lowest is 94 minus 73 is 21. So, yung range natin sa test score is 21. So, in the problem above, the set of data consists of 7 tests. It has ordered data from least to greatest before finding the range. It's recommended that we do this tool is especially important with large sets of data. So, kailangan na ayusin natin siya from least to greatest para makukuha natin yung range.
From least to greatest.
Highest to lowest.
Paano nga pag greatest to lowest?
So, example number 2, consider the following
Descending order
two
na.
sets of scores. Set A is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and set B is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So, nakikita naman natin na yung mean ng dalawang set is parehas lang.
Paano mo lang sabi?
6. Kasi mean is the middle. So, ang middle nila is 6, kaya median siya.
I-add mo muna sila
Median.
tapos i-divide mo siya.
Median pa rin yung tukoy ko.
Median yun.
So, mean of set A is 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus
ayan
8.
na pala.
Divide 5 equals 6. Bakit siya dinivide sa 5? Kasi 5 yung
5 yung set.
Points.
Ayo, 5 yung element ng set.
mean for set B naman is 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10. Divide 5, so yung makukuha natin is 6. So, parehas sila ng mean.
Yes.
Mean
Also,
yun.
these two sets of score have the same mean. May different how spread out of
Yung mean?
how the scores are. The score in set A vary over a smaller set of values 4 through 8 than the set B which varies over score values from 2 through 10. So we can represent this variability by a numerical index of variability called the range. So yan nakuha yung range niya, highest score minus lowest. So yung range natin for
Ay,
set A is
pag kinuha yung grade, kukunin yung i-plus mo, ay minus mo lang yung lowest tapos.
yeah,
yes.
ano muna siya pag
Kung hindi ko kasi alam. Okay lang po.
Yung highest na element. Highest value ng element.
minus 2 equals 8. So yung range ng set A is 4, range naman ng set B is 8.
Hala, na-front ko.
Mean deviation is the average of of absolute values of the deviation score. That is, mean is the average distance between the mean and the data points. Closely related to the measure of mean deviation is the measure of variance. So, yung variance naman is also indicates a relationship between the mean of a distribution and the data points. It is determined by averaging the sum of square deviations. Squaring the differences instead of taking the absolute values allows for greater flexibility in calculating further algebraic manipulation of the data. So, ito naman yung deviation score. So, deviation score is the measure of how much each point in a frequency distribution lies above or below the mean for the entire data set. So, yan yung ano ng
Yan yung formula niya.
Formula ng deviation score.
X minus
Wait lang.
Hindi. Mean daw yung may x tapos may guhit sa taas.
Okay na.
Contribution.
the row is 4. The row is 4. Yung ba yun?
Okay na po.
Of how much each one.
Right, sorry. Kala ko na yung
So,
Deviation score.
Good student. Okay na po. Okay na po.
So, in order to define the amount of deviation of a data set from the mean, calculate the mean of all deviation score, etc. the variance. So, ito naman yung for population variance.
yan ang formula naman niya.
For formula ng
Population variance.
Or population variance.
Ano ulit yung U, pre?
Ikaw.
Hindi, yung U. Ganun. Yung U na parang ano.
Wait lang.
Yun.
Yun yun? Hindi, ah.
Hindi. Ano yung
Ha?
Okay na po.
Ano ulit yung U, pre?
Yun.
Ha?
mean, ano yan? Yan.
Ay, ayan pala.
Yung A squared is siya yung tinatawag na sigma squared or population variance. So, yung X,
Sigma. Ano ulit? Ano?
na ano, ang normal.
X
Mean
minus
yung
mean
ano,
squared,
yun?
yung
H siya, H na
of
balik.
the differences. Yung tinatawag
Ano yung X?
frequency yan.
Min pala yun.
Squared sum of squared differences. And this number.
Sabi doon.
Hindi.
Ito-check ka ba?
Third.
Ay, okay lang ako.
Sigma squared.
The number of scores. Ha?
Ay, na-front.
So, ito for population variance. Ito naman yung for sample variance. Madaming formula yung pwede. Sample variance ito yung formula. Where yung S squared is the symbol for the sample variance. X is the symbol for the sample mean, which is X bar, and yung N is sample size.
Sample variance. Sakit ng tiyan ko.
Yung A squared is sigma squared.
Ano yan yung S squared? Sigma?
So, next is calculating variance by the deviation score method. Let us first consider the deviation score method for calculating the variance for a population of scores. Although in practice the deviation score is rarely used, it does help us understand how variance is calculated. It follows our previous definition of variance and could thus be referred to as the definitional method of calculating variance. So, yan yung formula for the variance for for a population using the deviation score method. Yan, haba yan, guys.
Yan yung formula.
Formula of variance for population using the deviation score method.
Yan din yung kanina. Ah.
For population variance.
So we can see that the formula truly does say what the definition of variance says. Variance is the average squared deviation of scores from the mean. So we will use this formula to find the variance for the 7 scores found in the following worksheet. So ito na yun. So ayan yung worksheet. Paano nakuha yung mean nila? Sino gusto magsagot yung mean nila?
Kasi ano siya?
Uy, Luna, day. So, yung nasa value po ng x is pinag-add lahat and then divided by the number of elements.
So using itong formula, gamit yung formula na yan, sinong gustong magsagot dito?
Yung formula na, yung ganyan.
Pakisulat
Are we
ko
going to
ng
use the
formula.
population relation?
Di ba topic mo po measures acquisition?
Anong position? Ito diba?
Hindi. Bayan.
Gagamitin yung formula. A squared
Formation B and formation A.
Ano yan?
Yung n is the number of
8.
2, 4, 6, 7. 7 yung ano?
5 minus 4.
Score.
3 minus 4. 3 minus 4. Tapos
7.
5,
Ay,
3, 4. Nasa na
Wala, nag-op.
4 na naman. Tapos
Iba niya.
Ban. Teka lang.
Bakit?
Do you know how, ano ba ibig sabihin nito?
Summation.
Pag summation.
Oh.
1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. 8.
Ha? 4. 8 na.
Hindi nga.
2.
Ang 8, 4 lang.
8 over ano? 8.
8 squared.
Wala nang square ah.
Squared na siya dun eh.
Ay, wait.
Ay, oo. Na-squared na siya.
So, kaya sabihin na lang kaya 8 na lang siya over kung ilan yung elements niya. Bakit
Mali.
Summation of 4.
4 lang kasi yan.
4 lang dapat.
Total na
Total
Total na lang 4.
Given na kasi.
4 over ilan yung ano niya.
4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Ay, naandali lang pala eh.
All for divided by 7.
Ay, hindi. Kaya mo yan. Point.
0.57.
1.7.
Ilang decimals to?
6.
Hindi na kami kayo. Dalawa lang.
Yan ang
Pala yung grade.
0.57. Yan na yung...
Hindi siya.
Anong tawag ulit dyan?
Yung a squared niya.
Yung 5, 3, 4.
Hindi siya yun.
Akin ka.
Ito na yung sagot. Paano lang ito ka?
Ano nangyari sa A squared?
Pinigilan nyo kasi ako eh.
Paano lang? Asan na?
Sinusulat ko pa ng buo eh.
Mas okay yun, yung buo. Kasi minsan, ganyan lang yung given. Ganyan lang yung given sa, ano, X lang.
Guys, sulat na lang yung 4. Tapos paano nakuha yung 7 to a number of 7? So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, 4 divided by 7 is 0.57.
So yan na yun.
Paano kapag, ano,
Pag problem kami, kailangan ko namin ng... Ganyan na lang. Ganyan na lang gawin namin.
ano na lang siya, given na lahat yung tatlong table?
Wala total?
Pati total?
Kami na magto-total.
Kami na.
Pa dito, yan.
Yung sa gitna na ano yan?
Ano yung, ano?
X is yung data minus mean.
Saan napunta yung a squared?
Ano, yung kasi yung dun sa table niya, balik mo nga. Andito na siya, oh. Square na yun.
Hindi yung a squared, yung, di ba may a squared? A squared sa unahan.
Balik mo.
Hindi yung form, di ba may a squared sabi niya?
Hindi, wala na, oh. Sa formula niya lang yung kasama. Parang,
Ah,
ito na lang yung solve mo, wala na yan.
eme lang yung a squared. Ano?
Ay, yan yung
Ha? Population bar yan?
Nag-gets ko ba?
Yes.
Nag-gets ko ba, Mayor?
Yes.
Okay na. So, if we were to consider the score above a sample rather than a population, we would use the formula for the variance for a sample using the deviation score method. That formula is S. So, ito naman yung formula S squared equals tulad yun na. Sample rather than a population.
S squared.
If we were considering score about sample rather.
Napansin nyo ba yung pinagkaiba niya, meron lang siyang n minus 1 sa baba. So, gamit naman yung
Oh.
formula yan, sinong gusto mong magsagot?
Touching.
Dalawang X.
Dalawang,
X yan o mean yung nasa taas?
dalawang x or...
X yan.
Anong sagutan?
X, dalawang...
X. X for is...
X minus x is 0.
Ano yung X?
Di ba?
X lang talaga.
Dalawang X.
0.
Hindi mo may loss mo siya sa kapwa.
Tapos si square.
Hindi tayo gamit tong box na yun.
Ah. X.
X minus X di 0.
Di
Tapos
ba,
square
minus
di
5, gano'n. Kasi square ko siya 0.
Nga lang, ano ba yun?
Sige na, i-next mo na nga para makita na namin.
Baka sample variance yan. Pagkapalas lang siya.
Oh, yun nga.
Next mo na, next mo.
Mean yan, mean.
Ah.
Dalawang X.
Ang hirap naman.
Pinagkaiba na lang is yung meron siyang n minus 1
Ay, may guhit pala sa taas.
Sa taas, mean.
Meron. Ang wala.
Rods.
X minus mean.
Ah.
Ano yung X?
Sana po itong 7 na to. Di ba sinabi ko na kanina? Yung set.
Oo. Number of
So yung
set.
1 na yan, formula niya yan dito, kasama niya. Yun lang yung pinagkaiba nila sa una, yung n lang to, wala siyang n plus 1.
Yes.
Wow.
Hindi mo yan, independent. Nagets ko ba?
Grabe ano.
Okay na. I got you, bro.
Gets. Gets
Yes,
right.
Cox. So, preparation na lang.
So walang n plus 1.
Population pa kasama lang.
So calculating variance by the row score method. When we actually calculate the variance for a set of scores, we generally use the row score method. This is also method used by computers or calculators to find the variance.
Grabe
So
na yan.
the formula for the variance by the row score method is the mathematical equivalent to the deviation score method. The row score formula for the variance is yan, iba siya. Yung sa mga niya.
Ito naman pag row. Kumbaga pag nakaganyan.
Row score. So, sinong gustong magsagot dito? Nakita niyo dito sa mga. Okay na.
Summation.
Yan yung formula.
Summation of X square.
Ito lang number 1. Ikaw na sa number 2. Kita kayo calculator.
Kailangan pala ng calculator niya.
Ito na is right.
Kailangan dito. Point paano mo maialin dito?
May tama ka din, may tama ka.
Yung square root na ganyan, point something plus 1, paano mo dito?
Hindi, may tama ka.
Yung alin.
Madali lang sa akin.
Quartile? Sa akin pinakamadali. Graph.
Type of graph.
Oo.
Saan mo?
116.
Zoom in, zoom out. Ano yun ang lyrics na? Yung nakapagkanili ko, Nawamiyo. Nawamiyo.
Na-front cam lang. Na-front cam.
Wait, 1 gig, 1 gig.
500 MB.
Baka may isip ko sa GC.
Gaya na.
Sige, putulin ko dito.
Ilagay mo na lang sa Google sa